Charleston, South Carolina finally got these Sprite Teas. I've been looking for them for a whole week, and I finally got them. So let's give them a try. All right, so looking at it, Sprite Tea, cool logo, pretty. And look at the facts, it has 74% of your added sugar daily value, 37 grams of sugar. That's quite a lot. Zero fat, obviously zero protein, but let's go ahead and give it a shot and see how much like tea it tastes. Oh shit! Yeah, that's diabetes. That's definitely sugar. I would say definitely tastes like it got 37 grams of sugar in it. You definitely taste the tea. You also taste the Sprite. This is a very good blend. I think this should stay. This is a good staple. I like this a lot. I'm in Charleston and I just found these. I was looking for just a bottle, but I found this 12 pack and that's all they had. So I don't know what I'm gonna do all these because I'm not about to drink all this sugar. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to With John. I hope you stay tuned for some more videos later. God damn, that's sugar.